Hi guys, this is Puneet and you are watching PS Talk. Today we are going to unbox Photron P10 Bluetooth speaker. So let's get started. Well, I got this speaker from Amazon for 650 rupees only. Links are in the description down below. As you can see, box of the speaker is quite good and features are also written on the side, which are LED light, SD card, hand-free phone and many more. On the back, some extra information is written. On the top, nothing but only Photron P10 PT speaker. Let's unbox it. In the box, we have another box on which Photron P10 PT speaker is written and nothing else. Let's open this box. It is a little hard to open. Oh, it is a nice flap box in which we have the speaker. Let's see the quality. Well, it is a nice quality speaker. Fully metallic, and from the back it looks really beautiful. Let's keep it aside and check the contents of the box. Here we have a small guide in which all the operations of a speaker is written. Other than that, we have a data cable also. It can be used to connect your speaker to mobile or radio or laptop or anything else which have 3.5 mm jack or USB port. Now let's see its features and quality. It is a fully metallic speaker, looks high quality and durable, and on the bottom you can see we have a charging port and a micro SD card port for micro SD card playback, on off switch and a hole for mic. A group of 4 switches, first for mode and other 3 are back, pause, next, and you can also control volume with these switches. On the bottom, we can see there is a rubber grip, so it will not slip on a smooth surface. Well, while charging, it will emit a orange color LED light, so you can see it is charging. That's all for this video. I will tell you its quality after some day uses. If you want to buy this speaker, then links are in the description down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.